Hello everyone, we are here in Mason City, Iowa, and currently we are here in the historic Park Inn Hotel. So this is the last remaining hotel in the world that is designed by Frank Lloyd Wright. So if you like Frank Lloyd Wright's architectural designs and works, I think this is something that you should really see because the hotel in itself, from the flooring to the lighting, it all speaks Frank Lloyd Wright to me. And
Hi there.
hi!
Hi.
Let me turn some lights on.
And here in Mason City, there's another house that was designed by Frank Lloyd Wright, so you can get a tour. Today's tour. Can you see? No. So you could consider this as a nice weekend here in the Midwest to explore Frank Lloyd Wright's works.